Hi YouTube, it's the first Saturday in October. It's getting chilly outside. We don't open up here for another 2 hours. So anyways, why am I here early? A, because I own a business. It's just part of going into it. And B, we have a bunch of bikes I need to get ridden. This Honda 1100, I gotta get that thing ridden today. This Softail, we actually lost the ride footage too, so I need to get that thing re-ridden today. This Honda Hilux, we need to get that ridden today. That's another one we lost the footage on. This S-Max, we had previously recorded a ride video, but the exhaust was too loud. So we're hoping that today, if I can get on that thing, should be able to get a good ride video on that as well. Need a ride video on this Vespa also too. Let me just take in the back here quick and show you what we have going on in the back. A couple different things here. Maybe you noticed up front too, the FZ6 is gone, that bike sold. V-Star Classic 650, that bike got picked up. We have the Fat Boy up on the lift. Pulled the carb off of this one. Actually, it was really clean inside, so we're hoping with just a little bit of going over, we can at least hear that thing run either today or early next week. We gotta zoom in. This thing has a couple things we gotta get finished up on it, and then pictures, walk around, all that stuff. Kymco Super 8 150, just got that in end of the day yesterday, literally 10 minutes before we closed. We have this Vespa 200L up on the lift. This one we have dialed in now. We just have to wait on some parts to come in from scooterwest.com. Anything you need Vespa parts, that's the place to go. We're waiting on them. Also too, I did pull out of my storage unit my Honda Elite 125 with the Miata headlight. Anyways, this bike we got on a trade-in. I've always wanted one. We're gonna be doing this as our kind of like our shop scooter build, so we gotta wait for that, some parts for that. But I did pick a battery up today, so we can at least start going through and figuring out how bad this thing's gonna actually be to get back on the road. The Grom that Kyle Huber and I went to Atlanta, Georgia for last week. That Grom is now here. We are not turning this thing into a hovercraft, despite what it looks like. We're actually sending some stuff out for paint and also for powder coat. We're going to be doing a little bit different color scheme on this one. So we do have the exhaust on it already. We have the injector issue dialed in, but now we're just waiting on stuff to come back from paint and powder. So anyways, thank you guys for watching. We'll catch you guys on the next What's Up at Motorwerx. If you haven't already, please like this channel and subscribe. It goes a huge way for us, and truly I appreciate it. Thank you again so much, and enjoy the rest of your day.